Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining in as we try to resurrect and bring back this 1986 Trans Am to its glory years. Today I worked to change out the blower motor and get the heater going, as well as conquering my fear of recently getting shocked by the distributor and changing out the spark plugs and wires to get this thing to finally run a little smoother. Let's dig right in. Here's the issue. First step, we're gonna look at the fuse box here. Fuse box. There it is, this one right up here. 25. Yank that out. That looks good. No problems there. Okay, next step. We're gonna attempt to see, hopefully there's power getting to this. Oh, let's pull these off. Oh, it is. Oh, they're good. Okay. Paint, ground. Oh, we got movement. Oh, that's good news. All right, 13 volts. That's really good. Let's try it to the actual negative connector here. Ground. And same thing. All right, good. So maybe that's just a bad blower motor, I guess. I don't know. Well, let's get that. Maybe just clean it off. Oh, we got action. We got some squealing. Nice. Let's crank it. That don't sound great. Okay, let's pull that off. The old manual. It looks like there are 1, 2, 3 screws. All right, let's get those off. Oh God, what? I'm afraid what's in there. Oh, jeez. Huh. Is that normal? I don't think that's normal. It's either a mouse nest. I'd be willing to say it's a mouse nest. What else we got in there? Oh, yeah. Oh, lordy. Okay. And it's way back in there, too. Let's get the vacuum out, clean it, suck all that up. Holy grossness. Ah! It's a mouse! Jesus! I hate mice! There's one in there! Oh, for crying out loud. What do? Shit. Okay, there's a mouse right smack there. As you can tell, I get a little bit, I don't like mice at all. What do? Son of a bitch. Oh, God. I freaking hate mice. I really, really don't. All right, mouse, you're out. You gotta get out of here. I freaking hate mice so much. There'd you go. I don't think that was it. There's no way that was the mouse. Unless that was... No, there's a mouse. I know a mouse when I see it. Come on, mouse. Get out of there. God, I just freaking hate mice so much. Well, after dealing with the mice all morning, I decided I need to clean off the car. My son was really excited to do this. This was a really fun moment for me and brought me right back to the good old days of high school. And it was really, really awesome to be able to do this with my son. Of course I have to remove the license plate bracket. No one needs that. As my grandfather would have said, that is illegal as hell. But that's okay. Well, my fear of getting shocked was much less than my fear of finding another mouse, so I decided to change out the spark plugs and the wires as well. Plus, at this point, I don't really know what to do with that blower motor whole situation back there in the AC. I did take the AC out, but I don't know if I really want to do that, and I'm not sure the best option. I have seen some cheap ways of putting an AC delete in there, but I really don't know if that's the correct way to go. If any of you have any experience with this, please let me know what the best route is. Where's the dog? Are you buried under there? It's not that cold out. Where are you? Hey, pups. Hey. Hey, here's what we have. They don't look bad. On the camera, they look better. Yeah, it's hard to see it. They're kind of dark. This one's really oily. A lot of carbon on them. Pretty dark. Can't get a good one. So, going over here, I don't really know what I'm looking at. Does not look normal. Doesn't look worn. I would have said carbon deposits, but it doesn't quite look like that. It looks more like this oil deposits. Oily coating caused by poor oil control. Oil is leaking past worn valve guides or piston rings into the combustion chamber, causing hard starting, misfiring, and hesitation. Yeah, that sounds right. Looks more like that. Well, we'll replace them, and we'll go from there. Well, I opened my garage door to this blinding light of snow, and it was hard to believe that just the day before we were out washing the car on the driveway. So my plan was to clean out the driveway and help the neighbor and start the car up and do a little burnout out there, because I'm sure that's the only way this car is going to spin its tires. But unfortunately, I must have knocked the distributor while I was changing the spark plugs and the wires, and the car will not start. And actually, I got a little bit of fire popping out through the car, which I don't think is very good at all. So, here you go. If you're having fun with this, please like and subscribe. Let me know if these are worth continuing or not. Take care, everybody.